A research group based at the University of Toronto called Citizen Lab said that on the 7th of July 2020, the Pegasus surveillance software was used to infect a device connected to the network at number 10 Downing Street. Now, that is, of course, the office of the UK's Prime Minister. And this was originally reported in the New Yorker magazine, where an unnamed government official is said to have confirmed the network was compromised without specifying that Pegasus was in fact involved. The New Yorker says that it got confirmation that the UK's National Cyber Security Centre, which is a branch of the British intelligence services, tested several phones at Downing Street, including the Prime Minister's, Boris Johnson's, but that the agency was unable to locate the infected device. Now, one researcher at Citizen Lab said that they suspected that this breach had included the exfiltration of data. And Pegasus, of course, is software developed by the Israeli firm NSO Group, and that allows for smartphones to be hacked and bugged without the phone's owner and user knowing about it. The malware allows for the phone's data to be accessed and downloaded, including text messages, phone calls, using the camera, listening through the microphone, accessing photographs, even monitoring location data to see exactly where someone's been and where they're going. And Citizen Lab says that it suspects the United Arab Emirates was likely to be behind the hacking of the British phones, but the UAE has apparently not responded to that report yet.
Right, Jonathan, and we also saw some other countries there mentioned as potentially from whom the hackers came. What more can you tell us about that?
Well, again, this is down to really what Citizen Lab say is behind the attack. They believe that it's the UAE, despite the fact that, as you said, there were other countries implicated in terms of where the servers were held. NSO, for its part, says that it doesn't recognize this either. Employees are reported to have claimed that they were unaware of this hack. And in a statement, NSO said that the information raised in the inquiry indicates that the allegations are yet again false and couldn't be related to NSO products for technological and contractual reasons. NSO argues that it is targeted by a number of what it calls politically motivated advocacy organizations like Citizen Labs and Amnesty, and they say that they produce inaccurate and unsubstantiated reports based on vague and incomplete information.